Just to carry this forward, I am sharing all these three with you. You are welcome to take a screenshot of each to figure out what you need to do, and let's see if you can try doing these questions. So this is one where the drawing has been given to you, an arrow has been given to you, certain dimensions have been shared with you. Whatever has not been shared with you, you can try to visualize how it may look and try to recreate this shape. So this is one question for you. The second question is this one, where again the dimensions have been shared with you. So you want to take a screenshot, you're welcome to. Although I have explained this to you, it'll be nice if you try it out so that it becomes a little easier for you to take it forward. Here again, they have given you dimensions. They've also told you a thickness of the material. So you have to keep in mind that that thickness that has been given is 10 millimeters, and you have to recreate this shape. Do remember, a question like this does not really tell you whether this is a through and through hole or if it is closed at the bottom. You can choose to make either for now. Maybe in the rest of the question it was given, but because I've taken a screenshot of this to share it with you, it may not suggest the same. And finally, there is another question here, which is a pet food bowl. They have given you certain dimensions for the same, and they have given you the arrows to help you understand what needs to be done. As you may notice over here, this basically says you need to remove that, which means you need to explain what you will see over here. Again, the same thing. So as mentioned in this, where the arrow is going the other way, you have to understand whether you remove that part or remove this part. What happens when you look at the part that has been cut down? So you have to keep that in mind. Now, obviously here, if I cut it on the base like this, it's not really going to make any difference. So you're not going by that arrow. You have to still go by the vertical arrow. Same over here. They have given you dimensions. They have told you that on this plane, you need to cut, but you don't cut along this plane. You cut vertically down and you figure out what needs to be done. So I'll show it to you from closer in case you need to see, but you can take a screenshot of this as well, and you can try to rebuild this in a cross section. Do remember that because this is a tray, the thickness may be really less, but it will have to be there, because without it being there, you can't really show how the cross section works. So don't make a single line. Same for this question, don't make a single line. Even if it is a thin plastic sheet, try to show it with thickness. If they ever tell you not to make the thickness, well and good. But if they are asking for a cross section and they have not given you a drawing to start off, like a partial drawing, then it's always a good idea to show thickness. If they've given you a partial drawing and they don't expect you to show the cross section but just a cutout, then you can do the same as well.